Welcome to yet again another episode of the Vise Squad with Goes to 11, brought to you by Andrew's Fly Company. My name is Bryce Miller and I am your Sunday host as always. Today in the Vise, I'm going to show you how to tie a copper john. Start our thread down the hook. We're going to make a small bump right here and then cut our tag end. Missed a bit there. A little bit more of that bump. It's going to help our biots spread here. Make sure they are the same length. Alright, tie them in. Snip off our ends here. On this fly, we want to make sure we don't overdo it. Continue to work the thread in right here by the bead. That way we can finish it off successfully. Alright, now we are going to tie in our copper wire. We're going to make a slight taper, but not much. Half hitch. Bring our bobbin cradle around. If you don't have a rotary vise, this is still a very, very simple fly. It can be done. You have to wrap by hand. I prefer to wrap by rotary because you get a lot more even wraps and quicker. But by all means, do not be afraid to try without a rotary vise. A couple more. Helicopter that wire off. Alright, so now we have our body. Work our thread up near the head here again. Then we're going to tie in a wing case of medium opal tinsel. And Peacock herl as our thorax here. Nice even wraps. All the way to the head there, and we're gonna make a couple more back here. I like to have a big wide thorax. There's a little more flow in water. Oops. Snip that off. We're actually going to cut a little bit right here. That way the wing case isn't so like spready. Spready, that's a word. Okay, we're going to use it. Pull the wing case over. Catch it. Sure it's right on top. Make sure you guys can see that real quick. A couple wraps in front. Cut it off. we're gonna take our bodkin, and make sure everything over here is aligned, facing down. Half hitch finish. Ooh, thread broke, but that's okay. We are done. Now we're going to add a bump here on top of the wing case. This is Gulf Minuteman. And let's go with one more. Even out here. Perfect. Awesome. We get that nice clear bump now. And there is your copper john. This is an awesome fly for a dropper on say a popper this time of year. But also come this fall, it's also going to be a great just nymph to run under an indicator. Thank you for watching today's segment. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking to buy some great outdoor gear, fishing gear, or even fly tying supplies, go to our store at www.fishingandoutdoors.ca.net for international or US consumers. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and also click that little reminder bell that says, hey, there's another video. We gotta make that Sunday segment, right? I hope to see you guys next week for our next episode of Vise Squad. Have a great day.